pretty geeks, and welcome to a new unboxing. We are actually in my room this time because I am super duper not feeling well, but the cat kit came and I wanted to open it with y'all. And yeah, so it looks like we have a croissant shaped pop out today, so I'm gonna leave that one because I know little one is gonna love it. They love the idea of croissants. They don't like croissants, but they love to go croissant. So I'm gonna save it for them, and I'm gonna try to adjust this because we're in bed. This is odd. Recording try number 2. I really need a tripod, but we're on my couch and I'm still not feeling well. But let's get into this today. Okay. Alright, we've got a little sign. So we've got our cat kit here. Alright, we have some squeaky bread loaves for when kitty craves the dough. Oh, that's a very loud squeak. It's gonna go over there. Oh, yay! A new teaser toy. I love the teaser one toys. Alfie absolutely adores these. So now we can help him burn some cards himself. And it does have like a cute little Pusheen on it. I know my colors are going to be so weird here. Let's see if that helps. And it's got a feather. He's going to love it. And it has a little bread. It's got a tiny bread. That's so cute. Okay, we're going to leave it. It's going to do what it wants to do. It's got a nice amount of weight to it. It's got a crinkle toy in the middle. And the bread is like a solid kind of silicone. We've got new grooming gloves. They look so pretty. So, Pusheen in loaf mode, and we do have 2 of them. Alright, and they're a really good size. They have like a little hanging thing on them. And these are a texture experience. I feel like little one would also love this so much. I did the brushing on them when they were younger, and they loved the more gentle ones. But Deferminator 5000. That's exciting. Alright, let's see. What is this one? A silicone crumb mat. Oh my stars. I want to see. I want to see. That's so cute. Okay. I might keep this one for myself. Actually. That's so cute. Right? Oh my gosh. I'm going to put her on my counter. Oh, we got 2 of these little squishy toys. So we got a crinkly plush chew toy. Whew. It's got a weird smell. It might just be me. I feel like my brain's been telling me everything smells like fish lately. But it says loaf. I really want to toss it at Kitten Man, but he is blissfully asleep right now. And he's had like the chaos for quite some time. So we got 2 of those. So there's only 1 in our little picture. So bonus. Oh, we can make our baby into a burrito. What's it say? What's it say? The Lazy Club, always cozy. Oh my stars. That's so sweet. And it's so soft. I absolutely adore these. I love how soft these are. They have like that minky fleece. They feel so, so good. And honestly, Tiny Human always takes them too. Take out our silicone. And I like to save these. Sometimes we use them for playtime with Alfie, or we'll put like toys or treats in them, especially if there's like lots of openings. But our favorite thing to do is actually use them with our hamster. It gives them like a new like little layer to do, and since it's such a wide like broad space, it doesn't really impact his floor space as much because it can kind of be like a subtle slope. So that's our favorite for him. So it's kind of like he gets something special too. And last but not least, a water dispenser. I've been thinking about getting Alfie a new electric one. Ours went kind of weird, so we've just been drinking out of a bowl, and he's not the biggest fan of it. So I'll give this a try and see if he's cool with something that's not electric but is automatically refilling. So it's pretty subtle. It doesn't have as much kind of art or detail as, you know, most of the things do. It does say Pusheen on it. And it's got our girl on the side and a little logo. Nothing on the bottle itself. So really subtle. Am I smarter than it? Haha. So a decent amount of water, but nothing crazy. A cute little water. This might be for me. And yeah, that's everything that we've gotten inside. Let's see if we can stack it all up here. We've got this, we've got this, we've got these squeakies, which I don't think are going to come out while I have a headache. We've got this, we've got this, we've got grooming gloves, we've got the teaser toy. Whew. They always do such a great job. And of course the blankie. So we've got 2 squishies, a water dispenser, a little burrito wrap, our floor mat, our teaser toy, our squishy gloves, our squeaky breads. I'm happy, and I bet Alfie's going to be happy as soon as he's up from his nap. I love you all so much. Bye! Okay, if you're still here, can you tell me what you think of my new shirt? It's got this cute frog boy on it, and it says keep homeschool weird, and I think it's really heckin' cute, and I just wanted to share it. And yeah, that's all I actually have. Okay, I love you so much. Bye.